Lord, you are my everything.
You're my everything.
How can I express my gratitude?
How can I express my gratitude
for all the many things,
you've
Father,
done
you
for
done
me.
for me, yeah.
Words are not enough to say thank you.
So Lord, you are,
Lord,
you are.
you're my everything.
See, I call you Jireh.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are.
Lord, you're my everything.
I call you Jireh.
Call you Jireh. Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. Say, Lord, you are. Buya matinyana. Buya matinyana. Buya matinyana. Oh, buya matinyana. Yeah, so buya.
I don't look like what I have been through. You've turned my pit into a well. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, adum, wadum. I've been through a lot, but grace sustained me. My test is now a testimony. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, adum, wadum. It was you, my lawyer in that courtroom. It was you, my soldier on that battlefield. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, adum, wadum. Hey, adumo, nyame, adumo, adum, adum ntina metiasi, eya wadum ntina mewoho. Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, adum, wadum. Hey, adumo, nyame, adumo, wadum. Eya adum ntina metiasi, eya wadum ntina mewoho. Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, adum, wadum. Who has changed my story? Who has given me a song? Turned my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. You have changed my story. Protocol breaker, you made a way. You turned my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. Could not have made it without you. Hey. Could not have sailed through without you. Your loving kindness, grace, and mercy brought me through. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, I don't, could not have made it without you. Hey, could not have sailed through without you. Papa, your loving kindness and grace and mercies brought me through. So the essence of my praise is all centered on you.
Eye adumbi keke enti na yenya ekwan se ye ne wo esan Asia bio. And the very last day of July 2021. The community and the law and your day brewe. Abusia me chiaopi me se when ya linky and se wabeka ye wi. Wefre will be na when no aka and komono. The community and the law adru so I was your day brewe. Your friend will reku osu frimpon na ene menso ena menya kwan se me no baby di sa dwumadie. Ye transfer for the next 2 hours. Ye live at BWF Solicitors Facebook page. Ye live at BWF Solicitors YouTube page. And I think so ye live at PAM TV so at UK and Bawat Radio so at UK. And then also nkoma I wo no ye ne BWF Solicitors and ede bro BWF Solicitors I 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so I 7 Sisters North London where you Monday to Friday free anopa 9:30 ekopim enwumre 6 o'clock. Monday to Friday, so them can no. Na Saturday there, ubekwa kuhuwa. Lawyers no ewo hodi no so. Just a the appointment and a day eba. Na se upe se emremu nkomo bi a ewo ho no ye day ebrewa. Na wo ni BWF Solicitors edin komo efa wo immigration and somehow awade any divorce. Sounds so and say a year a japade ho and some upesi 2 4 and now here lawyer ni so obey your application appeals any idea amawa a BWF Solicitors and I may come for a day amount say anyone any and come one telephone number no the be me say ocean so a 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 and now 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. Now, the TNS say, Yawada Anopa BWF Solicitors, apart from say, where ye Juma a applications now, hey, cases near dear Mayano. What call a year mass media no and answer radio stations and TV stations out one ape when ye edin komacha yen and near ma air corner emu. Yawadano power war a year Rainbow Radio International so na fe if yada anopanso OG and radio sudin na ewo UK ha. Nina nso so obehu yen anaso obehwe yen ewo BWF Solicitors Facebook page and answer BWF Solicitors YouTube page. Now Saturday 12 noon lawyer Eunice and Vicky hang out our Heritage TV so and also so the BWF Solicitors outreach program no EBR no. And what you also say about no 9 Saturday we are the Asia Sabre ewo UK ha na ye the community and the law ye de bro and neja madarama mo am kwan ema meba mo fie mu ma ye de nkomo ebro and then so nkomo ye de ba no EUSS in Seminole Abessing Echo 30th June Ababessing Echo. Now so one Seminole in see the senti and saying yeah Home Office I can say with me your application. We application we are deadline no upper home yet me ya hon shame out. Now so and you may be a coswa I was say lawyer penny for a train adwene esi na fe ye hunu senia esi ati na makotwe penny for no baako every BWF Solicitors ede no aba ye dwumadi so na dwumadi mene no betena so no hwemi nu a di animu na obekyechen ne emamu ye nua ye lawyer Patrick ene ye no ba bedi dwumai na obeboyen ama yatin komo no ase iye pa na eno actually no so say wo question bi wo concern bi na I was say the lawyer for no yi ano ema apart from say your topic no ebeba no ubetimi asende ede aba your text number no 07950 422780 07950 422780 and answer obefre your numbers no 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016 BWF Solicitors and any edim komo na me beto on crack na fe mabo abaso na yeba Last week Saturday, say na munyina munim senke betena fie mu na yedi enkomo na nso so community no kwa abonten ekọ ye picnic na yen nso so yebo yen ebu yeketem nka na sa e de call park no so na yen so yeni won community no ko interact. I've got a few pictures here. Last week, I remember someone say, "Mon fancy, you drew on a light idea. You want to do nti MSA up in systems na kakra." But nyame adom yetimi ebrem will be kakra. And then I'll have you have a taste of what it is that we had na fi ansakra na yede enkomo no aba. But say dear, muma fi yemfa yem BWF Solicitors and Crown Embra.
Yɛyɛ fɛ ma yɛwɔ London. Yɛgye abasobɔdeɛ bebree na yɛaredare ɛwɔ mmaransɛm mu. Ɛyɛ legal services bi te sɛ family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, ɛne family law. Wɔ BWF deɛ, yɛn solicitors ɛde anigyeɛ ɛna etwitwa gye woɔ na yɛboɔ nso nyɛ den koraa. Yɛn partner panin paa, Bernardo Wusu ayɛ lawyer ɛwɔ UK memu bɛburu mfie duonu nkron, 29 years. BWF solicitors kura wɔn ho. Inti sɛ ba na ebusuansɛm bi te sɛ child care, ɛyɛ abofra hwɛ mu, awaregya yɛ ho twema mentwe, ɛne ɔhyɛ anaa injunction a yɛde to domestic violence so a, yɛmma wo legal assistance a ɛdi mu na yie adwuma nso. Yɛn child care ɛne family team no nim nea wofa mu ɛwɔ nea ɛyɛ wɔ bere yi mu. Ɛno nti na yɛto yɛn bo ase ma wafoto a ɛsɛ fata ɛwɔ kokoa mu. Yɛn senior partner ɛyɛ obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agyina to mu na ɔsan so yɛ member na kyerɛ sɛ ɛba no sɛ yɛgyina w'akyi ɛretwitwa agyew ɛwɔ family ɛne matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw koraa. Wopɛ advice ɛwɔ immigration nsɛnsɛm ho. Wɔ BWF Solicitors deɛ, yɛn immigration team no abredare ɛwɔ general immigration ho nsɛmsɛm kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho ntotoyɛ, ɛne entry clearance visas, family visas ne appeals. Yɛn senior partner ɛyɛ member na wasan gyina tom ɛwɔ Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Nti sɛ yɛtae w'akyi a, wonni haw koraa. Yɛbie yɛn office free dwada ekosi fiada, anɔpa nɔnkron pɛɛ mu ekosi enumere nonsia, ɛyɛ 9:30 AM kosi 6 PM. Ɛna memeneda nso ɛyɛ appointment nko a, free anɔpa nondu ekosi ewia nɔnan, ɛyɛ 10 AM kosi 4 PM. Yɛwɔ 4th floor ɛwɔ Anna House, 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sɛ wonnante firi 7 Sisters Underground nso a, ɛyɛ kwan tiaa bi. Yɛn senior partner Bernardo Wusu san yɛ barrister yɛagyina to mu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmaranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wɔ advise local authorities, official solicitors office ne solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Yeah, abusia meda say ugusu ene ye ha. Na BWF Solicitors say menka nkyerɛ say anopa awia anwumre frɛ wɔn na afei eni wɔn eni enkomo. Na mebɔ amane say last week na ye were party in the park. Ghana party in the park. It was fun. For 2 years virtually na amanfo MP ye na afei dwumadi no ɛba so no. Yɛnyina yɛpu ɛkɔ hɔ na dodo ɛbaeɛ no ehu sɛ BWF Solicitors so na yɛyɛ well represented. Wohwɛ wo screen no so ahu sɛ yɛnuanom lawyer for no mehu lawyer Richard wɔ ha, Lord Mackenzie adwoa ɛna afei lawyer Patrick nso ɛwɔ ha. Me ma another picture. Ɔmo ho yɛ fɛ yie paa. Yɛn t-shirts no deɛ ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa koraa. What the foforɔ nso ɛbɛtu mu a we a picture yɛde baako ɛnie ha we lawyer Asma ɛna afei adwoa ɛne lawyer Richard yɛnhwɛ foforɔ nso ɛwɔ ha okay another one nie we nso lawyer ne office for any lawyer ɔmo a training ne ɔmo up and coming lawyers no ɔmo any community no interactive this time now say or more airborne more akofa flyers at the akọ round and also so ha yɛn banners and yɛn stand na yɛn live broadcast from no ɛna muhu ɛwɔ screen no so ɛna afei nso so musumfo me director affairs from somewhere all in the name of a party in the park. Another one, one lawyer Richard and so interacting with a member of the community. BWF Solicitors, yadamase say more about na femba community them any about BD and common. BWF Solicitors, my mesa and Kai will be where a year application and document checking service. Say who forms be no one fail it na one kasa wobetimi aye but ope say lawyer hwem emma na afei o say corrections ni ade bi e wo say ye ne ye ansa na wo de akọ home officer obetimi aye ho adwuma ede ama enti hye no so sa emma eno actually no nso so what yeah immigration and nationality ho adwuma wo say eba eno immigration and afei was temu and somewhere what enema no asay changes ni ade e ba nyina no wodi mu akotene pa na se wode wo ho ebon a wo nso okotokro enka sroda se de bia ye no eno actually no nso so wasan family law. Specialists in family law will provide confidential advice with effective representation to our clients in the following areas: divorce, separation, financial disputes, domestic violence, children's care proceedings, wardship, guardianship, public law proceedings, and one of the services BWF Solicitors ade bring. Now, what you mu what the assembly to edra ade emma yen na me pese yehwe na lawyer Patrick Worae BWF obetimi aboa chechemu sani abrofo no ebesi akro. Now, the odema yen as a nugget and successful appeals are binding on the Home Office, as it is under a legal duty to give effect to the court's determination unless it is appealed. However, in certain circumstances where fresh evidence comes to light after the appeal determination, which is relevant, credible, and not previously available with due diligence, it can reopen the case even after a successful appeal. We a case be about 2008 TB Jamaica. Lawyer for no eta ekeka TB Jamaica case we near there. There's another case and also F4 we also Boafo R on application. Home Office in year 2002. First case TB Jamaica year 2008 case we see 2002. And on my main quite na main kubisa lawyer Patrick said and common at the saying the modern ma ye uwanchi muka krebia obetimi ade amaye ana.
Yo yabeda sibebre senior na atifu nyina so yamamu nyina aha ya hope say munyina mo ho ye awie ya do se mama ye ho kwan se enesusu yenimu mbedi enkomo na two cases here sabre oreku aboso na munyina mo hwe no case bi a ade a emu ehwam yi na ebefoa ene nkomodie no so nti mu nhye no so yie pa the cases yi ekire nyina ne se ye court na yekodi asem na Home Office edim kugu wo saa aseni no mu a saa decision no anase timupona ye born wo court no ekekire Home Office for no nti eyenhye ema wo mo esese wo mu diso.
Okay.
Unless a Home Office for I said, okay, decision ya court na ye no, yentiase inti ye besa kotwe ho daiwe. Se onye na dwen anaso se wantu anamon ankwa ye saa application no ankotwe ho mansum biemu dia na te sa asem nasi.
Okay.
Because over time esese otu ho anamon na odeye application se o twe ho mansum bi. It is our yes, no na ya make a decision no na time no I lapse there. Not just a decision no ya promulgate not just say ababeya asen na ho. Se be asen na ho na be bind the Home Office for. It is so diso. Into want to mean say okay sebe yama obi family permit. Your man family permit ni wie no nipa no entimi mba. Ontimi mba dia na say yamfa ma no kra. And as so, ya court, ya kwakodi inkunim, yedi inkunim wiye no. yɛhu sɛ biribi nti nipa no ntimi ma nti no yɛnna mfa adekodeɛ no a court wahyɛ sɛ yɛmfa ma no yɛnna mfa ma no koraa sɛ home office yɛ saa deɛ a na ɔyɛ obi a ɔbu mmara so
Okay.
na sɛbe wote mmara so si a womu mmara so
Okay.
nti mmara no a yɛahyɛ de ato hɔ ama home office hɔ no ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmu di so
Okay.
so ɔmu andi so deɛ a na ɔmu akɔyɛ nkɔfoɔ bi a ɔmu yɛ
And then mami misa bio say almost say even after successful appeal no say bibi eba almost betimi asan akọ yes yensan ni asem no ebio asem no nka court atwa me na sidi a I didn't know some san ba bio
well sɛ biribi na ɛbɛba no ɛnyɛ biribi kɛkɛ ɛba ebia na evidence bi wɔ hɔ a yɛnhu no saa time no anaa wo nipa no koraa woyɛ ebi application wo de biribi sie ɛde daadaa home office for
okay
nti saa time a na yɛyɛ saa asɛm no ho manso yɛtwe ho manso yɛtwe ho diary no na ebia na saa deɛ ni hɔ but saa deɛ no aba abɛpie ɛne a yɛkasa yɛ a ebetumi ama nsesaya ba decision na yɛayɛ no
okay
but also what must say nti sɛ saa na tie deɛ a na asɛm na aba na yɛdi awie no bibi pɔtee bi aba evidence bi aba a ɛyɛ very significant a ebetumi ama asɛm no nyinaa ni asa
adane bio okay
nti where I say bi a nka wa appeal no ya allow ye no because of saa adeɛ na na ni hɔ no now adeɛ na aba no nti no that application no would be refused nti na no ho na betimi a resort case no na omakɔkɔtwe mo anso but sɛ no mo nyinaa no betwam na anamonto bi ama evidence bi amfiri ba bi ama omu begyina so de akɔtwe manso foforɔ dia then that is omu ni nyina so bia
nti ebre bi ɛwɔ hɔ a ɛbɛ ɔ sɛ lapse ansa na home office bitimi anasa mrama ho kwan sɛ a couple of weeks back na mo ka sɛ be a 5 years every 10 years omo and di ho dwuma bia na afei bi after a long time na aba na evidence foforɔ bi aba time na pa ho na senka pa ho
okay nti sɛ o ye appeal the court your first tier tribunal na you make it decision na you make it decision na wie no sɛ ekotia either one na sɛ the other side na court no ma time a obetimi appeal against court on the decision
okay
normally this time no 14 days nti sɛ we make it appeal so 14 days na pa ho na wa make sa appeal no there then it means obi be say wagye atum say asem na court na ka no sa penalty nti na say wo na enkoso enkoye any appeal bia bi but in this case no bibia ba significant now you try say almost between 5 years now we say bibia ba sana because ento sa time na obeba no na nipa no wagye nhini dada make ebi kura na wawo ma wo krom ha wawari wo krom ha ne ba abaye British into no uhwemu a na tese wo san ko wachi kura ko sa de na firi nsema wa kwasiko na ogina nkwantia obetimi agina ne ba so because even though ebia akwala no nam wo sedia kwan na wo nam so adinya asetena no so na ono so beye British no esese home office ede akwada no ono na kwada na oye no the best interest and esese omo hwe
okay
nti yentumi nje crack
I can influence
yentumi nje nim free ni nsem so dia then na yenim se wo qualifying child wa ha eno so ma wo ho kwan e ma etumi tina krom so whereas bia new evidence na aba no betimi agye waseta na free wo nsem no in the other way around no
betimi asan gina oba no so asan agye okay strategy mo kobo no ase awusia se afei na wabeka ye ho a onhwere kese bia legal nugget a ye de ebre won joda bia no na meji enchichimu but it leads and pans into and the ye pese ye di ho enkomo ohwe screen no so a ye de yen topic no ato se EU deadline and a home application no about saying echo. And so home office say and kofobi yemfa emma won because who's a missing canon. Almost yemfa ma I didn't yemfa ma a day ena aba. Why is the Home Office and the UKVI refusing to issue the EEA Family Permit. Even when applications and appeals have been made and have been granted, and they're saying, no, you can't do it. Why can't they give it to you? Why is it that they are refusing? Bigidi is obetna na fe yedi enkomo share ma yen ewo wo platform bia so say WhatsApp, say YouTube, say Facebook group bia wo join bia no fa link no ema dodo na womra ene yen ema bedi enkomo Ezekiel Johnson ewo maso ewo ha samso so ne ewo Covenant Grace na na my class prefect wo ha wa share Gina I do say yewo Tili Duma ena afe yewo Nana Ajua Sifa also so wa joining yen adofo ene mo amohwe yen ewo Hamburg Germany there be na mo TV ho kase pa na maso YouTube ewo mo smart TV so thank you so very much sanso so ena dodo ewo Ghana Wumpini Adams ene dodo wo hwe yen ewo Ghana nyina nso so koso edamo ase we are live ewo Abawa radio so ewo UK Abawa radio edru Sunday enyumre nso a the live Saturday area no or the audio version no eto radio no so ema obi a o message na also wahwe bi and actually no so your PAAM TV so ewo UK ha Pastor Augustine ene nebusianfo nso so ekoso eda mo ase ebre no so a ana say even as we go on you can send in your text and WhatsApp messages audio notes and bibia no afa yen text number no so 07950 422780 and now over free 0208 123 1016 ene mene lawyer ya Patrick ena ewo ha yede dwumedie no ene nkomo no brewo na lawyer Patrick yen tintom straight away na yen misa se EUSS and EEA Family Permit application so I want some na ba say ko ye boda room amanfo twetwa wo maso a people have done it now omo ye wie no Home Office say nyem enkofo bi wo ha yemfa Emma won free come Emma. I don't know.
Yo, Reku, ebeda se. I think say asema abe asema asefo. Na din na yaso say obitimi hyemra na ono ankasa enyi so. Because emra na chichire no. Nti no ade a asefem kakra. Na emom no yebedi kan aka kire yetifo say obi was sat bi animu a onka na koma nto no because we enya de a ebekọ akiri
okay
enya de ebekọ akiri because ehu answer no wo ho
okay
na esese yetu ho anamon nti we obi na wo sat bi animu a anamon mum
ena wo so wotu
enya de a esese wotena so na woteda na wo de won sase wo dem fam say Home Office aka no de eye gospel into obetimi
different. Okay.
It is not the case at all.
Okay.
And that is why yaji adaje na ya bohu de rosa said nko bibeka said asem na twam ti ade ntina still ano a lawyer for no eguso a e ka ho asem still obetimi aye because obeka ya somewhere back last year yetina ase no yenkomodie mu me kan say EU ade we enya de a ebetwam enani ochina.
Okay.
It has a long way to go. And the long way now ewo de kono no asichire ne say ebinom ya appeal results no nyam by decision no nyam by ebinom ya application omunye nya decision it no say decision no ba na ankoyi ama omo a omo right of appeal.
Okay.
So even though the deadline of June 2021 no a relevant period no ababe twemu no those people now they are still waiting for a decision either from the court or from the Home Office themselves. They will still have a right to come to the UK because a Home Office any EU and now back to Yankomodi. The Aquacoban said back in December 31st 2020 no Bebenabe ka your border say a deadline date.
Yeah.
So deadline date, na the SSA or manfo a say uyo uye EU ni na ma krom ha dada. That is a one teha.
Okay.
Into na ehube here say before 12 a.m. Sa with between 11 11 something, 11:30 thereabouts. Now who Chrome had that.
Okay.
It is all had here. Now we beat deadline. So you are in.
Okay.
So now we be a extended family member. Which is obia we EU ni ebusuani santene.
Okay.
Nti wofase auntie any uncle any safo ni na cousin for now extended family na ankasa no definition no enye bibia restricted.
Okay.
Nti no very very wide, broad.
Okay.
The only thing you need to demonstrate and say you can show say nipe busuani.
Okay.
Nti say sebe o na kanso bi ena ne baby no wawo o maame ena nam so ma sa abusuani nyina ba ye abusua still we na abusuani as far as the law is concerned. You're a family member.
Okay.
The only thing is that we extended family member.
Okay.
It's, we show family relationship, no, and then you show dependency. So what me show sa niamane dia, then emrana ma ho kwan se ubetimi aba. However, now in case say why your application no before sa deadline date no, which is December.
Okay.
And untina na ye bo the rule.
So obian koye.
Even if for nothing at all, you should have an application pending with the Home Office.
Okay.
And sana ya lock the door.
Okay. And no the extension by call June no.
No. I know your oma.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no.
Thank you.
Right. It's sa period no. Yeah, but when there was obian an application, it's at least all application then you are in. It's obian to me and kase one meet deadline into a refusal. So that was particularly for those who were coming in from Europe, no, any one more family members, extended family members are now almost person or my application. It is these are the rubon so a my application. Application now could the Home Office. I change because along the line of COVID, but say missions need to be almost shut it down because even TLS contact center for being COVID issues, I think a couple of times. Emma almost shut it down. Now applicants need to be required to be
okay.
And eventually omokoye we no. Now there's a backlog. Kesiepa or Home Office almost so
yeah.
It's necessary almost no making decisions no gradually. And this became a problem. It's no better a bit more no my application since December now onya anything. Standard time now, you make a decision. Home Office, I may have to say 6 months. It will be an application now or change 6 months. Normally, we have free outside or make us 12 weeks on the decision. But UTT, and that is on the 6 months now. To say this 6 months no corner there. Now, for there, when you know, so be a ubet me and one more coaching a home man.
Okay.
And for your applications, then a bit more decisions are hereby not a refusal. Obisu na or your application yamia yadum afena decision about not to say Ninsaka a family permit now or apply.
Right.
And along the lines, so you say, or more no more krumuha. We EU ni na wabetina krumuha. The deadline date for you to apply under the EU settlement scheme, and no na will come once and no June 2021. So we krumuha na we EU ni na ebia oba no your permanent residence and also a residence card as a family member by June na etwe mu no. Na nke se why application under the EU settlement scheme. Na your either pre-settled status and also say settled status.
Okay.
It's no sad deadline. And no na aba betwema and you say extension kakra so crowds mean say be another window cross say be binti na wantimi anye na betimi ama reasonable excuse and other reasons in here wantimi anye then they will consider your application. Inti eno so now the young who say omo asem na court na omo winning omo cases any omo train for decision na man ne aban This is what Home Office is doing.
Okay.
Home Office for ahyase throw emails any letters say okay ye gitum say call court you refuse application Emma court court no so no wakwa ko din kunim Emma court no aye say yemfa ma so uye application e chede na so afei na abewa yi puma kwam ama ye decision no decision na ya ne say ampa Ose fatase your bound family permit as a standard family member now deba. And as you say, be a say nipa no your family member, but or your application no under EEA regulation.
Okay.
Into no your amount are deal with say ubetini edi because or your extended family member and I say uyo be a what's our EU right no based on we national into no yeah the criteria.
Okay.
Name momo no because say a relevant period no which is 30th of June 2021 unka dia application under the EU settlement scheme no no ye the man okra na ehu nkohia intino sa na tie dia pam no twa no ye na
mfa ma ne wakose no se dia umbe so mokare ye mfa ma no wakose no
na sabe application no una oyeye na sika no una utua ye air flight no una obeto enye una woto sabe wasuma brewa
baby o ko hwe de efa ho be
eno so ye wasema enti Home Office wa hyase etrotro nkofo sa ama nkofo bebre na temperature akoso
yeah na ade mose menye maye wo de amma me
yes
afei wasan ka che me se
wasan achi akọ
unya man titira ho
watwa fuusi nyes half secret watwa fuusi about 10 class dabi ono ane kan osan aboa okay ama nkofo bebre na edi abobu esi apini obi wo ha na wa crab fiti bebre ni so Jack so hwem na wa humi a na Miko na Miko no wa bompa ye wa kwa hwea akọ ye fast na hudo di na atire kom na nyame aya do na obi ka ye dia bobu say pan afa de obi foforo be
I can bet 1000 Ghana bi nam de tom ticket was masan je fi
just sa tickets kan kra de or expect free the family member no into no 1000 there e di blow town because it's any boys air town air session and sana what you mean
about hardly
so and a Home Office for the sad decisions yaba and our more trust from for air how money but this is where the Home Office is wrong
okay because
cases now here boafo any Jamaica cases no say e chichi mu say ya application na ya allow na ya allow Home Office and 2 na mo bia na bibi fufuro bia ma ya e de manso be ba dia then sad decision is binding on the Home Office
okay
it's necessary that is number 1 number 2 Home Office for ankasa e wo policy a omo a publishing since 4th of August 2020 the friend implementing allowed appeals version 1 now page 5 now asama aye kan nyina no Home Office for ankasa wo e na tena ase e na omo kuturi de agu enkrata so e na omo publish it so a document obia ebetimi ensa biase afa na nyina you only have to go and set for it. It's okay. There a Home Office for e na publish it what that document no page 5 now you refer to what it says in itself say allow obi appeal SSS appeal na ya allow no Home Office for a implemented decision no on the basis of that determination no into no say court no can say nipa we ye di na asem ya hwe nkrata mu ye hu se osefata se mo man nkrata de court na ka no SSS Home Office for di so Home Office for atam sa ade no e de aye guidance and no ma publish it since 4th of August 2020 ewo ho and omo de aka omo nema ho now sa guidance na so kire say ya allow appeal na o implement it it's so we implement it promptly
that's the operative word
absolutely it's no and so we twentwen won ase it's so we implement it promptly na nipa kro no otimi nya kwan na odebas because one yes sa na wo twentwen ase a na wo tietia ne right ene ne fa ho di a EU law no e de ama no nti ese se wo ye saa de no na nipa ko no so
Otimi edeba.
so one yes then nipa no wo remedy na cho so wana mo a obetimi etu anamo a nipa no betimi etu ene se obetimi issue ye friend no pre-action protocol na so say obo nipa kro no koko sebe uni obi betwe manso na nipa kro no onim bi nti a oni betwe manso a na okosha manso na so na otwe a na ayesa ade a nipa no yenkan se wafa kwatikwan bi so na opese oni ne eye bibi anase se wa mbushi na oni ne ekotwe manso.
That's right.
Ebia na onim sese ina assemblity a obetwa so tietia na ankodu mpempenso bi nti sese wo hya ase na obo no kokko saa kokko no ene ye ka no pre-action protocol na say
okay.
Yes. Nti no so we saa de no na nsusuanso papa bia mfiri ma mmadia then you would have the right to go and do a judicial review.
Okay.
Na court na akotena se ahwe se asama Home Office for no
Would no enye de
asem papa na announce say enya asem papa announce say they've gone beyond the limits na emra no ahihya ma omo de yaye omakọ beyond that it's necessary ukosiki eye court no na court no etumi edi wasema now say ohwe sa nkata na omo de ba no mu a the omo kan say untimi nya application under the EU settlement scheme and that is why I am ma woman. Again, that is wrong and it's not true, it's not correct.
Okay, minim kranya because
it's not correct because again, rules name ra appendix EU by EU settlement scheme, the guidance it is there. You are shown black and white said there be and this is what it is. So EUSS FP1 and S1 now and S1 no definitions of a name be a
okay.
The friend say obi e ni na ye ka say e ni or relevant person the definition of any day.
That's right. Who ye relevant person?
That's right.
Who de ni?
That's right.
Who are wetimi aye who de ni what
exactly. Exactly. Ti what cheche ni nyina mu e wo ho no eno e na ye so ye fabi na ye de abo ye bra e de aboa amanfo aye no mu daily. The next one no definition no. Your definition of relevant document.
Okay.
So relevant document definition no, it encapsulates BB to say family permit. The year can once in Home Office was a kahumbi. Ubia yamano residence card, ebi otikuma or your family member or your standard family member. Na yamano a year residence card or relevant document.
Okay. Application under EUSS. Okay.
Obia yamao permanent resident. Note the variations no. Into Obia yamao permanent residence no would mean say we application under the 2016 regulation, EEA regulation, which is what has become redundant as we speak now.
But here they are sitting amount.
But here the amount into what that person who kutano a relevant document into it allows this person
to do the EUSS
application.
Okay.
It's nice to say by June now a relevant period now a yes application. It is for way now dear friend of relevant document. It's no ransom application under EUSS. So upa enu here usha EUSS FP6 3C na and also so no echre obia okuta sa relevant document no dear obetimi de aye no say oye obia onye EU ni na oye a family member na yamao relevant document and I say ukuta relevant documenta sa FP6 3C ma referred to no it spells this out clearly categorically say wo sa ni pakro no ubetimi aye application under the EU settlement scheme inti esidenti na Home Office for say obi a wako court akodi nkunim
now or yet entitled to family permit as an extended family member. And also so obi a all train so a decision when application since December. Now and then yamia na dom na when ya kwan near see a man family permit. Home Office for a certain round cause a relevant period no etwam into no
use relevant document.
no. So one fa documents na money pakro na a kwan version of a far or sa application. And I said and no no necessary emrano say emrano munye ni say and no any form so intina one year decision time and then say one year decision and then form so and a COVID by intina court no enya kwan
and take decisions
inti eni na say bibi intina went to me anye na retrospectively oh ka say ade na twamunti no o de so e de twe o maso a na
no one in any David
and toss mu back kra enya dia etoss mu
and the lawyer made you no see say e ba ne say a den and what can say also to an amount maintenance in found and show them refer me and den
yo ebinu wo ho a de wura ye boy into no o ma sua nyama bebre te ebinu wo ho a applications a hold on be o a omo na ye o ma de which is fine there be a senior or can say yes, a mananiji say
you're empowering people to do that.
Yes, a mananiji, which is good. Into be one or no one but I thought that open man could do baby now happen. Baby, I want to me do no. It could do baby now expert.
Okay, that's right.
And where you are there, meet me, I said now you need somebody with the expertise, to step in for you and fight your corner. Because we are there, as some are because Home Office work, person will be a second Adrananka. But get my point.
And also the more way.
In Tianamo is so to say, and then your name, who you be when your decision be for a lawyer, and because the idea is so to one amount them, now we know decision. Young clients are. Sebe omenye binu yetu one among dada the Home Office wo omunim seni ehe adwuma.
That's right.
Ebi oho a letterhead ni bedu okwa no decision aba so no ya twe asan because we've seen that so many times.
Yeah.
Because say COVID ne buy na your application na so the applications no biometrics no appointment ni delay na omuso no Osman ko for so omunko biometrics na oso me call omuso bibia ni ho my application no cry because it's 6 months I'll be trouble new hobby. But biometric process no a year process now you didn't make application. It's a nipa no ko ya it's the now can say year free. It's no immediately no senior organization no when you are there bet na say atwetwe na say adefe for mo akrokrom no enya there
pick cry and kind of
it's not say anadjuso mu na draft to letter come a dig ink goom and a senior if she ink aside
the goom
and a pie the coin and didn't know and didn't so now embassy hono ashase send the emails even before response from the Home Office come no ashase send the emails with references of applicants now mo call na yes so mo go feel said yes mo ma o mo back no mo may or
biometrics
no omo fa email ne keke na ye dey send them no and then fambra omo fa enko your biometrics no now all of those clients now omo koy no sabe enye aha ne ye betina atum futuru agu obi ani abeka e dey ahoahoa e ho but I would have wished say ebinum etie ye dance or say I have never seen the embassy treat people like kings and queens in my entire life.
That's how the omodi nkofo na nya.
Yes. Ti ye call na ye see ye die no kra ani ho ye mo pipia letter email keke na ye de call no. Omo titi ye say kings and queens just say VVIP ni baby a okotena premium section na okotena ese so utua more money no.
E ho na ye de mo
okotena ya ma omo tea ni biscuit. Omo enjoy account. So that is the power of you approaching Obia Odim any the Anamoa ye so and no chikran sana Home Office for Betroy. So it's the same way we believe, sir. The steps that we have taken so far, no, will yield results even before it comes to a decision.
And Ebane say say Home Office more clients more sure one say you take action way on your behalf. Say Home Office asonya din no we are adamant probably for lack of a better expression. Mo de bako court ama court abeche mo say we or more and some of kan ye or more annex ni appendix 1 hwan ni mo or mama definitions relevant document ni relevant person ni say any man etiam mo de bako court amayana.
Of course they bako court enya de haye tia da so na me no ka say a kuwa a lawyer for omoye immigration ho adwuma che kuwa ye friend ELPA Immigration Law Practitioners Association.
Okay.
Nti adwuma ku kese ya wo UK a omo practice under immigration law no omo edom no eye ku baako sabri a ye kese omo boaboa enema ano na omo hyase atu ho anamo aye judicial review. Nti no the ELPA for can say oye obi kra na oye individual na onya sa letter ni bia because evidence is the name of the game.
Okay.
Into no obi sa fabra na chine bi no yetu ho anama Home Office so oh no but letter we kra eye letter nti eni bebe free ba into no obi a wo sa fabra na mbobo ni nyina no se de be ya ye benya evidence a emupi a present a strong case into they are taking a class action e boabo sa na mani nyina no what they are asking say we a law firm now we a practitioner bi now so wo clients a sa ansem we ye de bi adi wo mo a boabo ni nyina no the number of clients are or my appeal ya allow now you implement here the number of clients are you make a decision here see farmer money nyina no boabo ni nyina no ni yenhu how many of these applicants now sabi Home Office for the sabi in some way edi omo na yentu ho anamo na yenye judicial review yemmo ho de rule na media no kra enti say sabi mo ye ekura mo hyemra na mo nsa enni mra so because ade a ye ken eye mo na matro enye obi na sabi ode etu sekan esi eye mo amasem na matro it is a matro there na ebre do say esise mo disua why are you finding it difficult to abide by your own rules, your own legislation, your own guidance now? Why any court na nkasa na baby a nka ye di ni die ma no mo am fa ni die ma mo am court no na court no ka asem a mo ya sobrate na mo buso na mo bu o manimtia. It has been so respect a deceiving for and I don't think it is right.
Say what do want about BWF Solicitors? It is say what do want about Astroboa, Okotokro, and Castro da BWF Solicitors and Oboyema the community and the law at the Brewo Ebaso Saturday we UK time 4 and 6 p.m. Na edrum ha lawyer penifo no any entrance na fe opeja one of the major issues trending our community no on the abetwetwe ho enkomo ene the akoba ene say Home Office tro nkrofo with the emails say family permit na yade ama wono my enunti yemfa emma ananse yentimi ma wo emfa enwrem na eno na lawyer Patrick yemu say enye ade a eye emra kwan so na lawyer for omo eye immigration ho in some no won enkabom ko no so apija the matter omo de ko edemo and until the advice he just gave before we came back to do the summary and I said if you have received an email like that, approach a qualified lawyer, a reliable one as BWF Solicitors. Na fi anyone any ho enkomo na fi wonhwe na won ka wasem na ma nti se opeja na the court na fi ukodi nkunima na wo de no so atimi a qualify nti ntra ho ntwentwen won nan ase omode ase one BWF Solicitors ebedi enkomo BWF Solicitors ewo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so ewo 7 Sisters North London we adwuma Monday to Friday fi anopa 9:30 ekosi anwumre 6 o'clock 0208 493 7340 is your number.
Yɛyɛ fɛ ma yɛwɔ London. Yɛagye abasobɔdeɛ bebree na yɛaredare ɛwɔ mmaransɛm mu. Ɛyɛ legal services bi te sɛ family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wɔ BWF deɛ, yɛn solicitors ɛde anigyeɛ ɛna etwitwa gye woɔ na yɛboɔ nso nyɛ den koraa. Yɛn partner panin paa, Bernard Owusu ayɛ lawyer ɛwɔ UK man mu bɛburu mfie 29 years. BWF solicitors kura wɔn ho. Nti sɛ ɛba na ebusuansɛm bi te sɛ child care, ɛyɛ abɔfra hwɛ mu, awaregya yɛ ho twema mentwe, ɛne ɔhyɛ anaa injunction a yɛde to domestic violence so a, yɛmma wo legal assistance a ɛdi mu na yie adwuma nso. Yɛn child care ɛne family team no nim nea wofa mu ɛwɔ nea ɛyɛ wɔ bere yi mu. Ɛno nti na yɛto yɛn bo ase ma wafoto a ɛsɛ fata ɛwɔ kokoa mu. Yɛn senior partner ɛyɛ obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agyina to mu na ɔsan so yɛ member na kyerɛ sɛ ɛba no sɛ yɛgyina w'akyi ɛretwitwa agye wo ɛwɔ family ɛne matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw koraa. Wopɛ advice ɛwɔ immigration nsɛnsɛm ho. Wɔ BWF solicitors deɛ, yɛn immigration team no avedare ɛwɔ general immigration ho nsɛmsɛm kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho ntotoyɛ, any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yɛn senior partner ɛyɛ member na wasan gyina tom ɛwɔ Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Nti sɛ yɛtae w'akyi a, wonni haw koraa. Yɛbie yɛn office free dwada ekosi fiada, anɔpa nɔnkron pɛɛ mu ekosi enumere nonsia, ɛyɛ 9:30 AM kosi 6 PM. Ɛna memeneda nso ɛyɛ appointment nko a, free anɔpa nondu ekosi ewia nɔnan, ɛyɛ 10 AM kosi 4 PM. Yɛwɔ 4th floor ɛwɔ Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sɛ wonnante firi 7 Sisters Underground nso a, ɛyɛ kwan tiaa bi. Yɛn senior partner Bernard Owusu san yɛ barrister yɛagyina to mu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmaranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wɔ advise local authorities, official solicitors office ne solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
BWF Solicitors and yɛne wɔn ɛdi dwuma nti yɛde aseda ɛmma wɔn na mekamfo ɛde ama wɔn sɛ wowɔ mmerɛ mu question bi a wɔde asɛ wo ne wɔn ɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ. Well, ɛbɛyɛ mu yɛbɛtoa yɛn nkɔmmɔ no so kae sɛ yɛn quiz no yɛde bɛba ɛno nti along the line no wobɛba abɛka yɛn ho no afei yɛde nkɔmmɔ no abrɛw na ɛnɛ quiz no ɛfo we will comment from Beatrice or Dobby Kasa. I can't see you school fee. Hey, oh, okay. Classroom discussion. Ezekiel Johnson say BWF Solicitors are the real law firm with the thickest ink in the industry. I dig them rough. Bridget Bisa BWF Solicitors team and not Ubia here and until Sheldon say obene won ebedi enkoma na udi enkoma pa anya ho emfaso. Number the adwuma no 0208-123-1016 and now say send a text or WhatsApp message echo 07950-422-780 or outside of the UK 00447950-422-780. Me wa minia lawyer Patrick Ewaha. Obame Emma Yadin Komono Abrewo na Lawyer Patrick Abo the Home Office yinim se enye emra kwanso na afi omo challenge yen challenge de amaye no but mami in fa another bit so emra na eduru maybe na Home Office omaka omo hi one of the areas omo eta ede haya adwene yen Ghana yen amamremu aware ye customary marriage. Lawyer, Sadi, may name BWF Solicitors, senior partner, who did deliberate your papers upon papers, made presentations here and there, citing so many of them. But still, we have issues, and Home Office the omode family and then I'm hosa customary adeɛ no ɛdɛn na home office ɔmo nte ase a ɔmo ma yɛ problems.
Yo, Reku, medasi. I think say almost na edin. And as say ebia sabi umusu adia umu because the eke na no adida say na okan a senior partner omo twe ho daria to reports bebre edi hu koma ma yesi prosima rekura ye ngintum karima beba awukunu ma beba ma sake sisi nyina beba ama ya bedu ba bia yesi no ade no yegitum your case be a friend of Sotumaya case a dated back long time ago 1887 sa cases you nyina wo ho a di adanse say obi aya aware wo no krom na ne krom mu gisa aware ntuma then that's fine you keep na so you UK for UK your friend is saying home office for ankasa wo guidance omo che say West African sub-region marriages no customary marriage and also omo gitum inti eno no mo nyina wo ho inti se wo ho de a adenti na sisi amosa han adwepim inti omo the fresh trouble na eba but eno no de e fa ba bi no yetimi asi anokwan
okay
but say nsam no kwa enye case worker ba ko na inti na esono ba bi a wasem de be kwa akodi any case worker or ye mo adwuma inti some of the case workers no ye hu say yemfa nse obi ti krom ha na oware EU ni na waye application June 2021 and I say free sabre ya eko na ebia ordinary marriage certificate no connect customary marriage ube hu say nipa ebia oware 1950 yemfa nko atire sa se de be ya etifo beti ase oware 1950 ewo amamre ne amane kwan so the friend no customary marriage no sa ware no abusua mienu etena fie no machi aware no yenim se case law ha etese sa abusuafo no kra no awarefo no mienu enye yirekiti se esese omu nyina eye Ghana
for
ba ko betimi aye Ghana ni ba ko betimi aye obi a oye foreign
and also no efa ho se memfa nso oba no enye Ghana ni bema no eye Ghana ni a efa ho sa anase particular gender ene was oye Ghana ni
efa ho makebe case no amayati ase se efa ho se we anase we so long as ebusua ni mienu ebeji atum no na omo follow eye procedure no sa procedure ne ekwan a ebefa so aware ni bedi mu nyina no eno so yaute versus yaute atete ni nyina mu de aman nti eno so wo ho no nti so long as on be follow sa procedure no aware no yagitum se Ghana fo gitum nko ade a aware no yagitum UK fo so ayemra eche se omo so gitum to Family Law Act 86 section 46 na ni nyina ayemra yakuti ede abo eye yen yaware a yeware free amano ne no eho ban se enya gitum wo ba bi a ye ya aware ne dia na ahasoso gitum saa so na case law CB Brazil de bia ya boso ene saa cases nyina chese ba bi a ye celebrate aware no se ye gitum wo ho dia ene na eba ha yesoso ye begia because ye ni hu asem ka bia so man kona dia tum dia ene hwan
we bet you kase that's right
inti saa de tie na de tie ne se ye customary marriage no ya ware a utumi ware de to ho now there's no requirement for you to register it so okay ya you ware no miensa de ye ka ho asemi any ordinance marriage no ordinance marriage no de esese mu mienu no wo Ghana na mo ye adekode no but customary marriage no de you don't have to but also what I say and na efie abusua na tenase no magye aware no nti so mo tenase no mo gye aware etua trinsa na etua eho esika ni nyina wie a na yagye aware no tuma that ends the story mabaya aware for
me macho say customary marriage no say oye no outside of Ghana ewom say abusua no is well represented oba abusua wo ho bema abusua o de me mfa no sɛ abusua no mienu ɛwɔ UK ha yɛsɛ aware no yɛgye tum wɔ Ghana so ɔmo yɛ no outside of Ghana yɛgye tum nti sɛ yɛyɛ customary marriage outside of Ghana ɛnyɛ customary marriage
because I have you practice customary marriage in UK.
okay
Even though I hear Ghana for no, you practice customary marriage no ewa ha and outside of Ghana. Ghana and you practice no. Nti no ɛho adeɛ ni adeɛ ni nyinaa no Ghana na yɛ no ne agye atum. Nti yɛnya gye tum ɛwɔ Ghana na nhyehyɛ no nyinaa kɔ awie yɛtuatua ho nneɛma nyinaa. Then that's fine. But sɛdeɛ na America no bibia ni ho a ɛwɔ yɛ PNDC law no mu a ɛhyɛ wo sɛ
we are co-registered.
That's right. It's and yet the registration of our no and the validity or customary marriage. No.
Okay.
It is not required. And yet it's just over kwa name so no esia kwan bia ni ho say that yan kwama bi say wo someone we now person okoye registration na registration ho and I say you are time barred. Say because say bia over in 1950 now 2021 aba into no waware na chedo do untimi register there be nti say nei waware 1950 na ene wo pese okoye aware no registration na ubetimi aye nti saa bi na ye nuanom a wo mo ware ye mfa nse bi a 2020 this January and also say 2019 December o ma ware o mo de say ja odo ne yire odo nukun e na o ma ware o mo nim say yagya to Ghana nko ade omo ye okay abusua tena sia ye hye nti bibia ye okay e na omo tena omo seta e na ne akoba se sa me kunu kura o EU ni na me ne na ware sa me kura metimi agina no so e dia EU krata nbi sa na me ni na me ni ya na ma ba ba hu I din na me di adanse se ampase ma ware me kunu because untimi nkoka e kire Home Office se omo mfra wukunu abusuafo
na nkobisa
abusuafo no mu no mo ntire mu za ampa January 2019 abusua tena ase agi wutrisa eye wo ade e de wo ma ukunu entimi nkobasa itire se unya bibia ebe kire intina ene na wahu saa de no ye wo 2021 ene wa koye registration no ene wo de your application
okay.
The problem we are having is say we yes application now. Some of the case workers no refuse, and the reason they are giving is one worry before the deadline date. No? Bear in mind, what we have trumpeted all over since our assembly by and so we will be our person worry union. At least you should have formed the relationship before the deadline date.
31st December no.
So, no more formal relationship no. Na amamre ni amane kwan so. What worry before December and the customary marriage in India. That is will be kai insurance na go dia. Udem. It is a name now your application na. Date na odi worry in 2019 no. Certificates no customary marriage certificate no so. Sa date no any be throw so say o worry. Okay. However, so yes, our certificate now. The other complementary documents I can judicial service for letter, Ministry of Foreign Affairs for letter, any the friends say statute declaration. More representing on the swear. Say na adia to matrasa bibia. Amani nyina dimu. Nti we all of these documents no will have data a year 2021. Because our time now already
time.
But that is not the relevant date we are looking at. The relevant date we are looking at is when you actually got married.
Okay.
It is our date, on the marriage certificate, would be January 2019 and our worry. But registration, February 2021. And sorry, because Mrana Kasai or Ghana no say. And yet, registration, and the validity wa warrior.
That all right.
Warrior na, yajatum, wabushia for what nasi, na yakabu maji awariano. And no kekeno is enough. To registration in the SB, and factoring can.
Until lawyer Metias here, say, warrior, Nasibia or the bay application beer. Ni wo se wo hunu ene se da wo ware ye no se wo ko register make sure se o mabɔ saa date no
Yes.
e wo krata no so
Yes. Yeah.
ansana wobetumi edi agina so aye bi nya saa de a Home Office for no betumi agina so aka se da bi enye da sei e na wo ware ye.
Sir.
And I was say a year before 31st December 2020.
Sir.
Thank you.
Sir. It is a before that deadline date now Canada. Not just a name kwan na wo register na still na no a kwan no go hwa obetumi aye application. The emphasis is relevant period here about between June 2021. I think obetumi aye application. Abetwem kra na Home Office said no. So obetumi akyerɛ de nti a time no do say na ɛsɛ nka wo yɛ application wanya still na no ɛkwan ne da hɔ.
Okay.
But that's what I say. It is why worry now I do certificate, why register now about maybe a BB to went to me an application now. You close the door, you can still make the application.
I find the Matia city in tier before 31st December and now more but the rule say so what worry and now so who she shares over warrior. Yeah, and sign a 2020 deadline no baba
That's
simple.
right.
That's a when your application no cry establish that relationship
Exactly.
answer.
Because I know no passport no.
Oh, okay.
The entire EU law way any no. Okay, because I've holding in a seller no make me application.
That's right.
Omo ma bet me application. Omo ma me bet me application. Ama wasi bet me application.
And on by EUSS no.
Because I've holding now a close family members.
Okay.
Omo extended family members. Into omo now will fall under the EUSS no. So long as omo family member now omo jina no so no. Or relevant
person.
EA national. So we are relevant EA national. We will be a wire application under the EU settlement scheme. Now yama will be a pre-settled status
and
or
now
settled status.
There's a what's the soon
What your foundation
yes referee bi na odi match na afi na I then also them with them preoccupy and no yeah lawyer da CP lawyer Patrick and moten ka say oboyen e wo yenkomo di mu na ochecheye mu teach you nema mienu ane wama yehunu ene say EEA Family Permit no say wagina onase wasisi na yie na Home Office atro letter say yemfa emma because nyama medru ampacho my lawyer for aso and teach you for sa email no ekokokire na woni ho dwuma ma and when you know so kai say waware na customary waware ni bi na wo evidence say mo ware ansa na 31st December 2020 mema no enhow because relevant and valid nti ubetimi ade aye bibia o se woye ye be call amano so ubetimi abisa question on the di ho enkomwe announce say ubetimi abisa question on any other issue a lawyer ebetimi aboa ayi ano amayan ono ewo ha on the front line ye wo the team of lawyers also ewo achia ye ebo ama ye di enkomo no lawyer me wo text message ba ko ewo ha o say opeso hunu say obetimi de ni nuaba Africa na ba if I am the one taking care of her as an EU member, and I have a family member who is also in Germany, in Germany. So please, can I bring them to the UK because I'm the one taking care of them?
Okay, nti nipa iwan kase assistant be no so what here so a British ni and also EU ni.
Okay.
Nti dey be fa no both sides no na ya hwe the obetimi aye. Yemfa easy one no first. Okay. Yeah, ebia eno no be boa ne ntema. Say nipa ya wo kase oye EU ni e na all hwe na busuafo te se ne all kan
ba ko Ghana ba ko Germany.
Yeah. Na ye kadia na sa ni nuanom yi omo ye na extended family members. Enti no data esesen ko ye application ma omo no e data ni ye kan December de no. Na ka se why application ama omo all train se omo beba. Se enye sa na tie na yemfa nso or ye British ni and also or ha or ye settled under the immigration rules no person ko form ba dia then our problem is me person me bu na bam na mum no a tall mountain to climb, you know, because ko form ba on what basis e be very difficult
Okay.
na mmom no ebia so pinchen ya ebetumi ahwɛ nneɛma mu
Okay.
ɛne n'asesena mu na yɛama no afutuo foforɔ outside of this platform ebetumi
Aboa
aboa
no.
ɔno
Okay.
ne nuanom no a wɔwɔ Ghana ne Germany
Okay.
but sɛ ɛyɛ te sɛ deɛ meka no saa na n'asesena no ne ne situation ne teɛ deɛ a then it's almost impossible sɛ ɔde ne nuanom no free ɛyɛ
Okay.
baabi a ɔka.
Wait. Over so Edieni or say Niknu apply for pre-settled status, having come here with EUSS family permit last month and now buy. Why any biometrics on the 22nd of June. Up to now, he has no certificate of application.
Yeah.
COA, He has started work with his family permit. And then, and also here.
Okay. Now, Onya COA, and the reason being that first now your application and Home Office one and kasa send COA either by email and I said through the post. Almost a Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah. This year no, COA no, ebe online. Until you necessarily log in back into your system to go and check.
No, I check it.
Yeah. Until
The laws are all printed.
it's okay. It's okay. It's online anyway. Say do my new crown now or phone only the share code now or no abetimi ehu online. See ano enema omo ye nyina no is gearing towards digitization of your leave now ye wo no. Biometric cards no residence cards ni ade nyina no. Uhwe mu a ni nyina wo online.
Okay.
Nti wobɛkɔ online wo log in obɛhu sɛ wo photo wɔ hɔ wo status a wɔ ne bibia wɔ bia ne nyinaa wɔn de agu online. Nti obi na ɛfa wɔ adwuma na ɔka sɛ o unkuta residence card na me hu card ntimi mfa wɔ adwuma mu a na nipa korɔ no sɛbe ebia na onim deɛ ɔyɛ because o card ne nkasa na ekuta wɔ no ɛno no deɛ sɛbe sɛ wo de kɔ di akɔneaba no is okay but ɛno koraa no in the near future no the plan ne sɛ ɔmo de ne nyinaa bɛgu system so ehun ko hia se obekuta
card no
na che se wo ko baby a udu border ho a eno anse ya bo odi ne ahwe osimesi wudi wo foto wo ho na ya mo watwam nti no e ade a eventually e betwam adwumayefo no de nti aya a omo ha ya nuanom no ne se wofo obi adwuma mu na nipa no eni eho aka de a se wo de fa na omo penalty a aya omo betia nti na omo so wo esuro bi se okofa na wanya na
na okotua sa aka no
abagine sika nemu esisa ya omo so no omo ye a bit proactive because ade eke enya ade a eye den kura se ubenya omo metimi aye bibi kura so e frɛ no employee service check ai no Home Office kura no aye nhihye de ato se uyo obi a wo fo obi adwuma na otinimu entinimu ye wona ubetimi aye saa de no wo ye saa de na Home Office for the report be bro say osimesi ani owo ho kwan so oye adwuma ebi na nipa no why application kra pende a decision no embaye but because why application into no Home Office betimi aka cho so owo ho kwan say obeye adwuma in fact so obi a yama no 2.5 years na ewu no oko renew or the application no akwakotum ne card na expire na adwumafo say wamfa card fofo amma ye beyi wede say unya ti saa asem na patoko dana bompa na ye fasting say omo modern no say nyi wadi nka enye threat ne keke onyi wadi nka because e kwan ne da ho a obetimi a check say nipa yi owo ho kwan say oye adwuma na nti say okoyi na dia na dia wo try say obe safeguard ne mom no wo ma wasem no akoye bone because so long as say nipa no be application in time and sana ne leave na ekuta no ewu no law no ma ho kwan say odaso etoaso ye legal o kroma to send here into your application now will leave no becomes extant under section 3C into no sana ade enete into ebe pa adwumayefo na amoma adwuma no chew say sebe omunsua we no kitwa bi emfa nka enya ade a too much
like how many simple ba we check a clear bi nka okay offer from so ade e ha or say or 5-year resident card as an EU family member. Nansiana Yamano indefinite leave to remain. And will apply for replacement card. Obetimia use the resident card at 2 coin whilst waiting for the replacement card.
No. application biya obeya ko home office biya no. This is the caution home office gives you.
Okay.
Ombeka kyerɛ say, do not make any travel arrangements until say ebe make a decision na onsa ka ne esesa oka. Nti saa nipa yi so akotwa ne ticket a mesrɛ me ma ne ntu saa kwan no because who tu saa kwan no wie na wokɔ na ebesi wachi say home office for sebe yenka saa ma saa mam say oma refuse to application na which means say wakoka o because who ba no need leave.
Okay.
So what I say, who need leave now dey ba because one make application and now dey akwakotum home office in decide there.
Okay.
It is a whole corner say bibi kusi a na kyerɛ sɛ wo na wakwako e block wo ho wɔ hɔ no na wakoka. Nti no yenye a bit careful. I know say bebre na because of lockdown bebre na sifia check. I'm for a very desperate to get out and go and chill out, you know, breathe and come back. But yes, I understand no.
Now we show
me because who know be a ukuta brother citizenship and I say why your replacement in my card and amount and it will be okay. Then I think say you have to you know exercise a bit of caution.
All right. Me delay with text messages now, but also with me after 0208-123-1016 and now set 07950-422-780. Lawyer Patrick Ewaha, Oboyen Eyi Ensem Bebre Ano Ade Yen. Obi Bisase, is it possible for me to view or listen to the program again on Facebook? I thought in Facebook page, you know, so I delete and free or sounds so and ubehu YouTube page, you know, BWF Solicitors, BWF Solicitors. Na shadow so sa my. It be also so yeah, Kai was said. There's something new coming up. BWF Solicitors, there be we come up with innovative things. Everything I'm more team runners and now one team I empower once again. Like Patrick can say senior partner can bend the be can say I'm for 8 minutes now one now so now one cause your applications near there na a man of satisfaction. But apart from that, you know, be also in so who can say more the answer or the win some no ever a year lawyer for teaching BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors at the legal surgery be eba what to dean say ask the lawyer. Bisa lawyer. I then question episode bisa lawyer. Apart from say be share Saturday area on the community and the law. Apart from say be share yawada free legal education so Rainbow Radio so and I say free legal hour GN Radio so no. Was somehow another opportunity. Ask the lawyer. Now, as the lawyer, no, opening every chance in the office. Now, what pick one major question now or the atoho no what chemu between 3 and 5 minutes. Bam. Now, you have to Facebook page, and also you have to Instagram, you have to YouTube, and also LinkedIn. Now, what to me actually the ones so winya obeka so wow so now the ama oyonko na wahwe. Na afi wono so enya ho mfaso me wa question ba ko but you betimi ebisa lawyer amame if you have a pending application can you start a new job lawyer?
Okay, into the pending application chrono one trim and you ne say so uni hwe kra na afi na wakoye application and a pending there then uni hwe from the beginning into you decide the case na no compare adwuma a bed in say adwuma wura no obefa because we need asetna
Okay.
Ansa na wo koye but you know be a na wo asetna dada
Okay.
and time na so say esese ko renew and na why application no and I won't change that decision ever there. Then yes, we betimi aye adwuma bia wo wiase ba bia wo bia including the Buckingham Palace Club before. Yeah.
Okay. Buckingham Palace and ready. Of course.
Yeah, chef or your penny or a gun and you. Yeah. You know, and you who's that?
Lawyer, minia a nurse ni ewo Ghana. Na you say I understand you say they can come in here to work. That's exactly what they are saying. Can you please explain further?
It's we are nurse ni now or Ghana now person obey adwuma wo krom a. Ekwan ya no wo ho.
Okay.
Name no. Who necessarily we the first things first. Okay. I think a couple of weeks ago, Oketichi Ebechichi mu Emma Obiati I say the starting point is not with the lawyer. The starting point is one kasa doing your homework. It's for starters who nursing qualification na yajiatum why you be BA.
Okay.
It's a say who apply for a juma ewo krom ha. Ohwehwe eye adwuma oma aye ready so ombefa na oma mawo bibi a kyesa ampa so oma fa wadwuma no ansa na wagina no so e de aye application.
Okay.
Nti no na ansa na a lawyer for ebebamu na oma gina wachi aye application de aboa. Nti eye wona sese ohwehwe adwuma na ansa na unya adwuma na wagina so e de aye application. So unya adwuma no dia then you are not going anywhere. So English language any ho nkonba nyina ansa na waba. A good thing to do because so unya akwanya no na oba ubetimi de wabusuafo so aka ho ade aba. Nti so obi was art be anim a then very important say obetimi etu ho anamo na emum no hwehwe adwuma no kane na adwuma no emma assurance emma krata e kyesa ampa wo asimesi wadwuma a udi no adwuma a wo ye wo Ghana no yagye atum se oba ebeboaye nti ne ama krata sika yebetue woni ubetimi aye application na odi aba.
Okay. Any be or say or the brinya or frey and also sending a message free Ghana or say or per se have an urgent case to discuss with you. But your office line 0208 493 7340 na Monday to Friday. Omodi answer obefre na omo penifo no ene wo edi ho enkomo. Minim case no yes, it could be urgent nti bomodi answer obefre na fe.
I mean failing that no oreko control. So failing that say bibia eye ni monimu ya obetimi afre emergency number no so
077 127 61884 obetimi afre eno. Good evening lawyer. My question is I'm for kind of I did marriage. Oh, anya worry. Who worry?
So marriage the end
Yeah. Okay. Or say I I'm person correct. Or say I did marriage with EU man in 2020 and submitted my application, went to do my fingerprint in October, same year. It was refused in November because the lawyer uploaded a wrong pay slip. I did another application in May this year with the same man's document, but later cancelled the appointment for fingerprint because the man's settlement application was refused. Reason being that the document he submitted has been reported to be lost. Should he send them more to prove? And now say,
well, I mean, EEA or Tikrum ha, wabe Snaprum had you would have thought, say, what Tintimu Krum had that. It's new fancy be an uncle war permanent residence that EU settlement scheme about and all koyebi.
Okay.
Into the basis of refusal no idea na kakra.
Okay.
This is you refusal letter now omudi ejina so any adekode omu ejina so e dey refuse. Number one, the EU national family member no because ono no so na ojina na so ojina ono no so dia na send ye din komo no fiti ase and ese sa ni pakro no oye relevant EA national owo document under the EU settlement scheme no.
Okay.
Enti no say onya ya na efa baabi no ma ono no de no akotwentwen so even though you betimi aka say yes why establish relationship no it is still no or your family member. Bear in mind so say EU law no enye document na you see passport no and I say residence card na the amount enye no na eche so wa assist na it is so worry from day one we EU national na sa day one na no e na obeye obi a o assist na.
Okay.
There ye koji a home krata no obi kan tick box exercise formalities. Internet so ukojina o de ball ho ban sebe ya onama obi a bitumi adi adanse sa ampa uyobia o asetena. So that's for starters. It's no yenya bay ni kunu no. As I say otu ono application no ho anamo. Na de nti a ye refuse no. Otumi ede bibi kwa edi adanse ese ono ni pe no ote ha. Yenim da ofree eye continent ebae.
Okay.
Nti no yentumi nkyerɛ sɛ saa time na obedu ha no na deadline date no apaho na sɛ empa. Nti eno mu nyinaa yɛ ade a ɛsɛ sɛ yehu, but sɛbe onyinafo no so a nka yebetumi
abisa no asɛ.
But sɛ kyerɛ no na obetumi asɛnde yɛ decision a yebetumi ahwɛ mu na if possible a omra office na yɛde ne transfer. Menye sure sɛ ɛyɛ ade a agye agukura a ontumi nya ho hwee. Aware no wɔ hɔ obetumi de ayɛ de ɛsɛ sɛ ɔyɛ. Ɛsɛ sɛ yɛ resolve ne kunu no issue no na yɛgyina so na yɛde yɛ ɔno application ɛma no. Nti ontu ho anamo ɛnɛ ne ɔkyena ya ɔfrɛ ne a yɛbɛma na ba na ɔde documents ne nyinaa ba na yɛahwɛ mu ebia na yɛ bibi kitikiti bi yɛbɛbɔ one letter na yɛde aka ho na yɛde akɔ na home office ɛde ama no na ɔno so so ayɛ
mo letter body sɛ wopɛ baabi a yɛbɔ letter pa ink wom sɛnea Ezekiel Johnson kind or say they have the deepest of inks in the country. Question we has been running around kakra na me misa whilst obi Emma so no se obi ewo chrome ha ana se onyina ne honye nka ne sa nyina better ha kwa ho ne honye na owo abofra wa ono ha ne ba enye obi eba no watimi I establish aye ne DNA ne ade nyina wa sa evidence no se ne ba no o aba kwala no abrabo mu kwala no benya 7 years September 2021 ebreben na obetimi aye application na o guarantees bi say sa so responsibility ni ade aye amokan ani akwala no nya 7 year hwan no obetimi e de aye application enya I'm saying my bisa 2 questions in one.
Okay.
Akwala no benya 7 years September 2021 ebreben obetimi aye application.
Right. Okay. Into no, send your emrane kenny. Into no, emrano make provisions for akwala. What's na krumha? Ya wonu krumha. Now we did the first 7 years of the life ewo krumha. There's provision for that under the immigration rules, paragraph 276B. Emrano mahukwan send nipa no obetimi aya application.
Okay.
But men koye application and sana akwala nya 7 years no because then it means onya e ka one day amanenya ekra onya it men koye application and sana so what train onya 7 years no kra dia then uwo nyina so a ode kwa koye application no because akwala wonya 7 years e wo kroma de edin free Ghana by no so wabetena kroma 7 years ni nyina no so ye decision Home Office say man say SSC the best interest of the child. Now you hear say sa kwala we ye papa say ye man ne na wofo na wo mu ni nkrata no omu ko omu kroma na most of the time no Home Office position is say ani SSC ye mo kro but cases aba ye rule nyina so say there be akwala no best interest no important SSC ye the best interest aha na watena enyini edi agro 7 years you know nkolanketinketi bia no wo namfofo wahyaase ko school mu namfofo sa niema nyina waye nti no ne prime age ni nyina wadi ni nyina wa ha nti sa wo tam no na wo de no ko ye fanse Ghana ekura onko so da because sabe ne papa ne maami ni bi nti no ono so oni bi nti ontu kwan free UK krom ha enko ba bia da eha ene ye more or less nti sa wo kasa onko de a na ehin na onko saafo ni nyina no ya class of form as qualifying children to be a qualifying child no is been defined e we rules no 117D and defined to be a British ni akwala obi a yeka no ho asem watena krom wa ya wo no krom wa wadi 7 years or a qualifying child and nay om di bia ka ho ama omo limited leave to remain under EU settlement scheme omo nyina ya qualifying children obi a a friend is saying indefinite leave to remain omo nyina ye de omo ba be ka sa ekuo no nti wo akwada bi a ote sa na wote ha na wo ni nkrata mesrew menit na wo nan so because emra no wo ho a edibua wo a obetimi ejina mmara no so no waye application nti eso tu ho anamon but ye nua be anase ye nua be me ma ontwe ansa na akola no nya 7 years no ansa na waye de esese oye se nya sa de a odekọ a ebe refuse no but oye application so onkan hu se ene fee waiver ba nti wontimi ntina se na wonka se na lawyer for sika ne home office for sika kwankwan hia ni wa me kofa no we nti no na watena ho sa na wo a woni bi na akwala no soso a ono soso nka obetimi ne namfofo ye ko ba bi obekobi na ono soso ni bi pacho to ho anamon so this 7 years na emra no ma ho kwan fee waiver obetimi aye na wo dia support de obehwehwe an se obehwehwe lawyer fee kakra obetua ma na ono soso atena se aye adwuma no atrotro ho letters e de aka ho e de ama na etimi edimu na kwa ayeye prakope na nkoye konabra
okay nana bema obrimpon ansa e de message to Facebook page or say can you still bring your sister from Netherlands? She's my dependent and I'm here, but she's still there and I want to know if I can bring her to the UK as my dependent. And how do I do it? What documents do I need to support her application?
I think say ebia ni de
okay.
Say na nko person no ne ba na nka se nko aye application
back in the day. Okay.
December sana or no
deadline. We also say Lawyer Patrick Anibra Kweku. How many people can you invite for visit on your birthday to the UK?
You try number of persons are going to be invited to. You know, so we invite you visa umbra. Yes, on our own invitation. As to whether say nipa no yebe man visa no the home office discretion. Decision making no very subjective. You know, and you wo na wo my invitation. Sabi enya wo na ye hwe. Ye hwe say nipa na all ban. Ye ma no visa amana ban. So ban obesan na chi akwa na. You know, and then a incentive, and then a teacher will crom tia or backroom ha, ombeka, no bepeso besan college. And no nice nipa no utimi a demonstrated. So demonstrated sadia. Then the case no is more or less resolved.
Okay. You can say in your biwa one. So hello.
Hello, good afternoon. Lawyer, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I just say.
Yankupon, me who ye late in a my year, me can and me dimmy cans me by to me who the modest at here cry. But me were question back one because the bigger and answer me who ye time. Me question is them patrol. No lawyer unity program, no cast them. Mana radio mobano, ukita 2.5 years, ukita British book, and I say ukita indefinite medium. But the same say. So we get 2.5 years, not the who ultimate the neighbor and I saw partner document account.
Right. But your partner now work on or groom her or yeah the other or yeah Kalansu papa now.
But so partner I say yeah, only partner now get 2.5. Who ultimate the neighbor and I say partner will groom and no to British because so no or they can one.
Okay, into no say that here. Unkwa or 2.5 now kofa baba. Yes, ubeti bi akwa kofa na ba.
Okay.
The sister would say who was sole responsibility for that child said only papa no akwala papa ni hwa. Sister would say who was sole responsibility. Into no akwala no bibia wona wo hwe. The attendant said yan kase be meet 18,600 financial requirement threshold no. Unless say bia wo kase 2.5 no wo di free Ghana wo be remu as obi a waware British ni na ye de ma wo nti se sanete dia appendix FM na chese wo kofa akwala na ba sa route na so na ono so nam nti then ese se wo show say mo meet sa financial requirement no nti no wo de no as maami a wabadada no 18,006 wo kofa akwala ba akwa be kan wa ese se mo salary no plus 3,800 on top of 18,006 no. Inti sa na obebu nkonta no. Se nye sa na tie na ebia ugina o British akwala so e na udinya o 2.5 no dia. Then there's no requirement say obe meet 18,600 no. They say utumi kira ne say uyo bi a woyɛ adwuma a wasetena mu woyɛ okay nti sɛ wotete wo sika nyinaa yɛbu nguntaa ɔmo a ɔmowɔ mma baako anaasɛ mmienu na ɔmogye ɛyɛ benefit a saa sika no wososo wo sika no deɛ ɛbɛka no ɛbɛtumi adu ama wode akwalaa no ba a wobɛtumi ahwɛ no a ɔmma mmɛyɛ burden asodie ɛnna ɛyɛ aban no so nti no yes wobɛtumi de naba sɛ akwalaa no papa wɔ ha na ɔni n'asetena mu a because sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ wokyerɛ sɛ wowɔ sole responsibility no yɛbɛbisa wo baabi a papa no wɔ you know na baabi a papa no wɔ no na ɛyɛ asɛm no nti papa no ebi a ɔte kurom ha but ɛnyɛ wo no nnɛte because wo no ne ni hɔ bio ɛna wopɛ sɛ wokɔfa wo baba nti ɛsɛ sɛ wo na wokyerɛ sɛ okay papa yi kura a woka ne ho asɛm ɔno mu kura ɔte kurom ha but awareɛ no anaasɛ relationship no break it down dadaada ama ɔno wapɛ ne baabi afa abɛhyɛ baabi ama waware ɛbɔ ne bra wɔ ne baabi ɛna mekɔfa mmea me baaba wayi akwaraa no totwene ɛna me na mehwɛ me ba ɛna mekɔfa n'aba nti me na akwaraa no ɔnam me so de aba na papa no deɛ sɛbe oyi ne baako maa no koraa kyɛ nti mmea na mebɔ akwaraa no ho bra nti ɛsɛ sɛ wo show saa nneɛma no ɛsɛ sɛ wo show sɛ wobaeɛ koraa how many times na wakɔ Ghana akɔhwɛ akwaraa yi ne sukuu fees tua sukuu a ɔkɔ asɔre a ɔkɔ wan na ɛhwɛ akwaraa yi una wama saa nipa koro yi akonya sɛ ɔnhwɛ wo ba no mfa mma wo nti ebi a wofiri Ghana aba no wode akwala yi ɛhyɛ wo sister ketewa nsa sɛ ma Mary mikoi wa wonim akwala yi ɔpapa ogya no hɔ yi yɛbte ne nka me a mehwɛ no susu na akonya aba a ɛsɛ sɛ mikoi nti mikoi mesrɛ wada gyina manan mu na hwɛ akwala no fa ma me na daakye ankwa ma bibia tototo yi a ma ba bɛfa no nti no suku obekọ ne ade nyinaa wo na odi sika kọ na yede akọye saa nneema no uni siku foi ewo nkita ahodie nti emfa nse ne report anase ne ho nsem kan nyinaa no suku no de file so nti wo email a ebia suku no de brel oni akola edi nkomo o ma ne fie emfa nse shipment ni ade we courier service to ne boot kakra ledo fo nneema kakra waboaboa no odi a ship o de kọ ebia oni ni di nkomo ni nyinaa no bedi adanse sa ampa se akola yi ampa una ubo no ho bra wo sa sole responsibility na enti no yenyina so na yema akola no 2.5 na ono so emfamra emmeka nti ubetimi aye on the other hand no ne papa no wo indefinite pachomitio
me pacho message bi question ni bi mse if we Ghana neighbor na me beka me kunu wo ha obema na me ba na nye ne ba ne me ba na me ja no wo Ghana no e pacho se ni be du a 2.5 ne de ma me a me nko a metimi akofa akora na be ma ne niema nka ho
na se be ma no be ma na ode wo bae no pacho wo da so ne wo ho na amagyae
me da so ne wo ho pacho
okay enti no so wo da so ne wo ho de a na me ka no say aware no 2.5 no is based on only wukunu.
Okay.
But also what I say 2.5 no is based on only wukunu. It is a ofa obana ba oban wa be kansa abusua no ho. It is the same meeting requirement no. So say ye wo aduma na wo ye no ebe so saa sika na ye busa na fine wo betimi de wo nkwan wo sika no aka ho na wo de akofa obaba. Nemum no papa na oye stepfather no yes onom na mu nyina mo hye na se to say umbrella but also what I say so even though a wo ye adwuma a wonya osika nyina no hwan pote so na wo na ma wo bae ono no na ye etire no na mo ye ne branches no into saa na esese obu nkonta no so be meet sika no accommodation no ene ehu ne ma aka nyina that's all fine. Because the moment I will have to now, o shall say so, oh, yeah, Juman. So, who sika, so who kunu sika, dear, a bet soon piano, it's okay. I'll bet me a so at the eye.
Okay,
I clear power home. That's if he, what the share page, you know, Mobian Song Kai say, a bewo, your YouTube page and Facebook. Yeah. Yeah, next week you see a best about 4 o'clock. Why? Okay. Yami Insha, thank you so very much. I'm saying a baby for near maybe any so.
Oh yeah,
Yeah. We a question on the bar and a very relevant question. I was for yes, time and tide waits for no man, and we can never be exceptions to this rule. And yeah, Baba share yam quiz no na yedi a home and como. Now, there may be so and I say Home Office say wo EEA Family Permit no. Wama email ne sɛ yɛmfa mma wo a na wonim sɛ yɛyɛ application anaa nipa a wogyina no so ɔyɛ application na wɔ meet deadline no ne adeɛ a mepakyɛw twerɛka gidigidi na ɛkɔ BWF Solicitors anaasɛ any qualified and experienced and of course proper lawyer. Nyɔmo a moyɛ McDonald ne car boot mu it's asɛm ne tia na bibi yɛ me. Ɔmo yɛ car boot mu lawyer asɛm no mepakyɛw mfa hɔ. Fako. Na media mekam for myself, Fabra, BWF Solicitors, or 214 to 218, Tottenham High Road, no, so I 7 Sisters, North London, over from 0208 493 7340, 0208 493 7340. Quick one answer, na be a meko quiz, no, so no. Will be the question be about, say, can the law show where it said that you should marry 2020 before you can make an EU application? Because a lawyer told me that we can marry 2021 and make application. But oh, a lawyer
right. And you know, Oracle, your friend is saying withdrawal bill now you buy. And no any massa quenya. Say uyo bia opese ujina eye uye national so ediba kromo ha. Then ansana ubetimi aba no esese na wa establish relationship no dada
ansana
in 2020
and
it no say lawyer fufuro bi ka kire o say uware enei 2021 ubetimi akwa eye ukunu anase oyire no based on EU law no the aba minim baby all kind.
I think be anko so say ubetimi akwa number se na
why dada dia ebia na saa na opeso kire na nipa ebia wanya saa entiase no because saa na lawyer no e kire na dia eno ahu komo na ene yedi say ampa say na wa ware nipa no dada ebia mo ye customary marriage but one year registration ye can say you are not obliged by the laws of Ghana to have registered your marriage into 1 year but ene o pese ugina saa ware no so na odeba UK akwenja no wo ho enkoye into year 2021 December ba betwemu de nanso still emra no ma ho kwan se ubetimi aye application eno ane se ubetimi a kire se ansana deadline date of December 31st no eba betwemu no na why establish relationship no it is a nay and wakoye registration no kra na registration documents na e ka ho no and only better say who year registration no in 2021 however o marriage certificate na ankasa so no e better say data o de ware ye no was before December 31st deadline no. So society there then yes ubetimi your application in the akwa Home Office for they would have to consider and then grant you. And no be na yedi hun komo say sabri no na Home Office for edidi enya ye twe ho man so say ense say basa because 2 dates no e different. The wode ya aware no eno na ye the relevant date because eno na ye hwe enye dana o register aware no. Nti no omo hwe e dana o de register aware na omo ye mistake. Sa mansono na ye twene sisia.
Oh, okay. Abusia say so na question be still with me a day aba over texting am 0795042270 and I say over free but say credit them say me hold on to because me brain no eko ye pa na me kofa me quiz no embra and the quiz no this week it came up a very interesting one. I mean, a miss question we said. Tienio, or say, Adote appeals a refusal of his EEA Family Permit application in 2020 as a nephew of an EEA national. Niwofa and Ujina no so application yan farmer no year appeal. In March 2021, Adote went in an appeal against the decision of the entry clearance officer. The Home Office did not appeal. Shadonso. Home Office anya appeal. In 2021 April, and a Home Office a true letter Edema Adote lawyer said they will implement the appeal decision and issue his EEA family permit. In July 2021, the Home Office wrote to Adote that they would not grant him the EEA family permit after all because even if they issue it, he cannot travel with it. Come idea no. I will say if you was no we answer we pa there. But well, let's see how it goes. Question I mean Ebisa and then say you have one of the question about yana or more question in the way nti so wotie question na tie na dwene ho yie pa ansana but what are the likely options open to Adote to challenge the decision? Appeal again to the upper tribunal or court of appeal. Number 2, complain to the Home Office that their decision is wrong. Number 3, send a Home Office letter before action and issue judicial review against the decision if they fail to change it. Number 4, reapply and provide the previous appeal decision that they were wrong with the first refusal decision. And those who stay on the fence, none of the above. Editi, me bacho ten ujri efa ho. And who's a lawyer kuchi or the explanation about mami. But mami enhe mo so no start giving me your answers. Number 1 ana number 2 ana number 3 ana number 4 ana or none of the above. What you send a text on Eddie Abra? Oh, okay. Many now. Oh, further questions. Me ya no Eddie amount. Wait me. I send text on the Abra 07950422780. And I ja comment no. In Facebook page no so would answer is not then appeal again to the upper tribunal or court of appeal. Complain to the Home Office that their decision is wrong. Send the Home Office letter before action and issue judicial review against the decision if they fail to change it. And actually, you don't so wait to me, application bill not what provide previous appeal decision said they were wrong with the first refusal decision and none of the above. Okay, lawyer, I'm saying a brain mami mimra na answer the better.
Okay, nti I think say tie answer no ya kan wasem bebre wo discussion yi mu. They are very simple. Answer no ye 3. Na the nti a 3 ne any your discussions na ya have that no to send ye mu no. Cases are a site Jamaica the no TB Jamaica the wo hoy and boafo the no nyina no so you make a decision now Home Office and 2 1 more and challenges our decision is binding on them. It's not just it's so more implement our decision. You can also say Home Office for Ankasa or more guidance or more publishing your friend implementing an allowed appeal or more publishing on 4th of August 2020 version 1. So here page 5 and also so actually a choir say you allow will be appeal now Home Office for appeal the SSO moye and no say SSO or more implemented now more granted leave edema sad based on determination now it no say ya grant to appeal at the amount there. Now Home Office for guidance number 1, or more guidance now my no HSS more implemented decision. Implementing the decision is said
omo de leave no mount na watumi etu kwan na ehese wotu no ena ye hu say case law mienu so say so mo antu hu anamon dia ena na case no is binding on them nti say omo di the court no aka so nti sa na ade no etie so mo antu hu anamon no ma anya ne ehese omo ye dia then it opens a window for you to challenge them through the court again na no nye upper tribunal na wo ko
Okay.
so we judicial review at the court kesi na court kesi etna so na obu asem and na ye can say before ansa na obetu sa na mo no ese say obo home office koko na ma omo ya aware say de wo pese wo ye ni
okay
until say omo omo ya aware na omo time say munyia no usually if ye omo 14 days omo embe kan de omo pese omo ka che until say omo sa time no omo yi ano na anu yi no anko yi ama o dia. Then you take steps to go for judicial review to resolve the issue through the court.
There's a appeal against the decision.
No.
You can't just complain to Home Office say the decision is wrong. And now to me,
so the two no crana it sits in with your third one having to make your friend say a notice before action. And also your form of complaining. Do you notice before action now? Or they say, okay, adia mu ye grano, and famra kwan so. Me krata court to say mon family. Until the mo ye no, me bomo coco. Say mo anye the court no say mo nya dia. Any me the mobile famra kwan so. You know, yes, you could say it ties in slightly with number 3, you know. Yeah.
Okay. Me who say Yuniaba Louisa Amwa, Oka number 3, which Usubuati Oka number 3. But Ibinum the Oman says never after a year. But that's fine. At least yeah, you and Koma dealing and also so IBB Naneso. Na the media may make and say, Bomodi answer. One BWF Solicitors ABD sa enema nyina eho enkomo na ye baba sorry na me ma lawyer Patrick eho kwan na fe waboni nyina tougher and preferably a bit of a summary in English for our viewers and our patrons who might not be too comfortable and conversant with our language.
Right. So viewers and listeners all across the globe, I'm pretty much sure you're all listening to us from across the channel all over the world. So this afternoon we've been discussing a problem that has come on hand from the Home Office, and this is the Home Office not granting leave to extended family members who had made their applications before the deadline date of 31st December 2020 when they were supposed to do that. So those applicants applied before the deadline date. There was a delay in receiving decisions. Some of them received favorable decisions. They were refused and applied to the courts to challenge that refusal. They have since challenging the decision, received a favorable decision from the courts. The appeal has been allowed. But what Home Office is saying is that because the relevant period, the relevant date of 30th of June 2021 is passed, it will be no use for us to grant you your family permit to join your EEA national here in the UK. What we're saying is that Home Office is wrong in making that decision because, number one, it goes against the court's decision because the court's decision is binding on them per the cases of TB Jamaica and Boafo. If the court makes a decision and the Home Office does not challenge the court's decision, then what these two case laws are saying is that those that decision would be binding on the Home Office. Again, the Home Office itself has got a policy that it's published since 4th of August 2020 called Implementing Allowed Appeals. That document obliges the Home Office to implement a decision which has been allowed by the court, and it obliges them to implement the decision promptly. And so, if you're somebody who has been granted your appeal based on the fact that you applied as an extended family member under the EEA regulations, which is now redundant, but then you did your application before 31st December 2020, then you would have right still to come into the UK based on that family permit, because the guidance allows for you, once you've been granted a family permit, to make application under the EU settlement scheme. So we've referred to the EUSS Annex 1 definition of who of what a relevant document or documents are. And we've mentioned that a family permit would be one of those documents that are referred to under the definition. Again, we've referred to EUSS FP6 3C, which basically says that if you're a non-EEA national and you obtain a relevant document, in this case, let's say a family permit under the EEA regulations, then you are able to make an application under the EU settlement scheme. So it is not correct, it is wrong in law, it is wrong absolutely by anything, whatever you refer to, for the Home Office to begin to write to people that even though your appeal has been allowed, we're not going to grant you your leave because it will be of no use to you. Our advice to you is that take steps so that you can challenge that decision. We as a firm have taken the steps for our clients, but if you're in that position and you're looking for an expert to help you through this, then of course, by all means, you can speak to us. We have ILPA, Immigration Law Practitioners Association, who are at the moment galvanizing support from all practitioners and individuals who have received such emails and letters from the Home Office to put and join forces together so that we can bring a class action against this unfortunate situation coming from the Home Office. So this is what we've been discussing. We've also mentioned about our customary marriage from the West African sub-region, especially from Ghana, where we know people can marry through the traditional means without having to go do the marriage of ordinance, where you have to go to the registry, the two of you, and the rest of it. Again, with that sort of marriage, you could do that whilst you're here. It's just the two family members sit down and then do the necessary and the required things, and then that is all fine. You are not obliged, per the laws in Ghana, to register your marriage. And so effectively, if you had formed your relationship, i.e., you had married your EEA national before the deadline date of 31st December 2020, and then you choose to register your marriage today, 2021, then of course you are still allowed to submit an application under the EU settlement scheme, because the relevant date we're looking at is not when you registered your marriage, but when you actually married, which is the relevant date we're looking at. Home Office is refusing some applicants based on the registration date without even looking at the date of the marriage itself. Again, we're saying this is wrong, and we're up in arms challenging the Home Office on this one. If you have a refusal letter saying that your marriage was in 2021, even though your registration is what is in 2021, then of course you would have a right to challenge them, and you have a right to make an appeal, whichever way you want to go. Approach the experts so that they can help you through that. The other thing is to do with signatures on marriage certificates and passports. Again, we've said numerous times that the Home Office have been refusing applications based on the fact that your signature in your passport is different from the signature in your marriage certificate. Again, we've challenged the Home Office and we've been successful in this area. All of the decisions that are coming through are favorable decisions. We've challenged them. We've told them they are not experts in deciding what a signature should be. They normally would not provide any expert report to support their claim, and so we are catching them on their back foot, and we're encouraging people, if you're in such situation, to approach your lawyers in the community. You can speak to us, BWF Solicitors, and we're able to assist you to overturn that decision so that your leave can be granted. Then you can live here peacefully and enjoy your EEA right as conferred on you by EEA law. So that's what we've been doing so far.
Well, I say Penny Idjariana and Sue Asa. The lawyer said it all. He summarized that what we've discussed in 2 hours in very succinct time and so beautifully well. Mekai will say, same time next week, we will be back with you with another edition of the community and the law. But you may now also na media said I'm a BWF Solicitors and especially all those who helped us to get to Ghana Party in the Park to meet the community. Those who were able to ask your questions, thank you for coming. And anytime there's an opportunity like that, we definitely will come out and meet you again. We apologize that we had a few technical challenges, but you realize that we've sat back to learn our lessons, and today we've run very smoothly. To BWF Solicitors, for office staff, lawyer for partners, near the Egina, Munina, Koso Edamase, Ediasan so ma a year partner do and Sheila Ankra, and a fee Montpenifua or more our BWF Solicitors office, our Accra in answer, Mosuso, Yakoso Edamase. Now, Patrick, thank you very much. You've been wonderful. Comments near dear Benin, not me, I am but time and tide wait for no man. We say, are you doing 2 programs today? Oh, back area. We will be coming back at the same time next week. Thank you very much. I was here for and Medemo Ebesi. Nyame yadoma yebesan aba mo amote enka ewo BWF Solicitors Facebook page and our YouTube page yedamo ase mo amote en ewo Abawa Radio so ewo UK hanso so yedamo ase Beatrice or Dobby Kasa onso so ane wo platform so for nyina. Thank you so very much. Mo amopeke link na mo share Ezekiel Johnson na Ajima Tilly Duma ane dodo eka ho amoba page no so na mo interacting so thank you so very much. So and Mekai will say Abawa Radio will be repeating the program, and it will be the audio version 7 p.m. UK time tomorrow evening. That is Sunday, the 1st of August 2021. If I'm very cool, and me will see as that enkoma say okay na fe yenu edijuma. Kai will be back again same time next week, and the community will be learning the law.
Yeah, Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah, Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, how can I express my gratitude?
How can I express my gratitude
for all the many things,
you've
Father, you done